Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Expedition 2015 to 2017? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2015 Ford Expedition controls and protects circuits for interior systems such as power windows, infotainment, climate control, and keyless entry. It features low-profile fuses and integrated relays for space-efficient design. The layout allows for easy identification and replacement of components. It ensures reliable operation of essential in-cabin electrical functions. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 and 2017 Ford Expedition supports and protects circuits for interior electronics like power seats, lighting, sync system, and security features. It uses compact fuses and integrated relays to manage multiple cabin functions efficiently. The fuse layout is clearly labeled for ease of maintenance. It ensures consistent performance and safety of interior electrical systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 Ford Expedition distributes power to essential systems such as the powertrain control module, fuel system, cooling fans, and lighting. It houses high-current fuses and relays for critical engine and safety functions. The design ensures durability in high-heat environments. It supports efficient diagnostics and helps maintain optimal vehicle performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 and 2017 Ford Expedition manages power delivery to vital components including the PCM, ABS, fuel system, and cooling fans. It contains high amperage fuses and durable relays for dependable performance under demanding conditions. The layout is optimized for quick diagnostics and maintenance. It plays a key role in safeguarding critical engine and drivetrain systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.